Welcome to the Sky Ice Bar on the Norwegian Breakaway. Join Sea Lake Journeys and ocean-to-ocean travel as we check this bar out. It cost about $15 to go into the ice bar, and the parka and gloves were included in the price, as well as 2 drinks per person. About a dozen people joined us into the ice bar, and we had a great time in there. The time limit was 20 minutes. There are ice walls, ice tables, ice chairs, and even an ice throne for you to sit in.
Okay, so it's minus 15 degrees in here, and we're in here to try some vodka in this wonderful place. We're gonna do a cheers.
All right, we got cheers.
Cheers! Shivering so hard I'm not gonna be able to drink it.
Woo! Got a little bite, don't it?
Just a bit.
Just a bit of a bite, y'all.
He said don't put it down unless you put it on the coaster.
Oh, okay. It'll freeze to the...
Yeah, it'll freeze to the table. Really cool.
My toes are kind of feeling it now.
I'll bet. I know my face, I can feel it on my ears.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
My face is frozen.
This experience is so cool. Who would have thought?
This is...
The bartender not only served great vodka drinks, he also took pictures for you.
Yeah.
All right,
Here we go, Sea Lake Journey Crew.
Skyy, Vodka, ICE, Barber. Chet.
My buddy Bruce right here.
All right.
Ocean to Ocean Travel, baby. Book your next cruise with them.
Chet with Sea Lake Journeys. Check out their channel. All right. All right, buddy.
Well, our time is up on the Skyy Vodka Ice Bar, but we had a great time there, and we think you will too. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.